Welcome to our video, where we're tackling a common problem encountered when working with batch files on Windows. The challenge at hand is checking for the existence of a folder and handling paths that may contain spaces. This can lead to issues when trying to utilize the NUL-Device for this particular check. Now let's dive into the solution. By utilizing the command NUL-Pushed, we can efficiently verify the existence of a folder and simultaneously test access to it. This method allows us to determine the status of a folder, whether it exists or not, ensuring a comprehensive check. For example, when testing two different folders, d:\\yesex single quote and d:\not exist single quote, this approach provides clear and accurate results indicating their presence or absence. Continuing with the solution, another effective technique involves utilizing the if_exist command coupled with the specified folder path. This method enables us to ascertain the existence of a folder, leading to an appropriate response based on the findings. By incorporating this command, we can seamlessly check the status of folders like d:\yesex single quote and d:\not exist single quote, providing us with the necessary information to proceed accordingly. Moving forward with our exploration of solutions, we can delve into a method for determining whether a folder contains files or not. By employing a redirection approach using the command dir along with a filter like findstr, we can effectively identify if a folder has files or if it's empty. This method enhances our ability to perform a more detailed inspection of folders for enhanced decision-making. In the context of folder creation, a straightforward yet efficient solution involves using the command to_null-md, followed by the desired folder path. This command ensures that the specified folder is created if it does not already exist, streamlining the process and eliminating potential errors. Whether the folder exists or not, this method allows for seamless execution, providing a practical solution for managing folder creation tasks. In summary, we've explored multiple approaches to address the challenge of checking folder existence within Windows batch files. By leveraging these techniques, you can enhance your scripting capabilities and navigate potential pitfalls when working with folder paths. We hope you found this information helpful and encourage you to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Remember, even in the world of coding, folders can sometimes like to play hide and seek.